you're someone who enjoys I'm someone who enjoys buying product, but you know what I enjoy more than that? I enjoy finishing up products. So I have finished quite a few products over here, and I'm gonna tell you what all I liked and what all I didn't. Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have these used up products which I have already finished, and I'm here to give you my review. There'll be really mini review whether I liked it or not. Simple as that, okay? Because there are quite a few products, like quite a few. Let's go one by one and see. So this is the Try Moody Vitamin C moisturizer. Okay, to say I liked it or not is difficult, because you know I really enjoyed everything, but what I didn't enjoy is like the texture. By the end of application, it used to feel that it had some tiny granule like particles which were kind of abrasive on the I'm saying on the skin. Okay, so I did not quite enjoy that feeling, but my skin actually looked good when I was using this range. So yeah, it's a mixed situation, neither a hit nor a miss. So yeah, I don't think you need to guess if it's a hit or miss if I am buying such a gigantic bottle of this. On the day, like my usual shampoo is going to be this Dove one, because it has performed really well. L'Oreal, Tresemme and all the other brands like herbal essences, I've used a lot of brands, and I actually like Dove for my hair. It can cause cancer, everything can cause cancer these days, so it's okay. I really enjoy washing my hair with this. I have already gotten another big gigantic bottle of this, because I really like the big bottles. I go through the smaller ones really quickly. This is the Minimalist 10% niacinamide serum. Okay, I thoroughly enjoyed this serum a lot. Okay, it actually gave my skin a pretty good glow, removed my acne scars. It was doing whatever it promised, and I really enjoyed this one. From enjoying something to not enjoying something at all, this is the Mamaearth Upton face wash. First of all, I thought this was a sunscreen last year, and I bought this. Then I kept on delaying the use of this because this was really heavy on fragrance, and secondly, it's a scrub, not even a face cleanser. It has abrasive particles. So what I did with it is I did not use it on my face for obvious reasons. I used it on my body, and I somehow got rid of the product, and now it's over. I'm sure there's something left inside, like I have squeezed it pretty badly, but I just don't want to use it any further. So I'm obviously getting rid of this, and it's a definite miss from my side. Again, something coming from a miss to a hit. This is really inexpensive moisturizer, and it is very ideal for your summers. So this is the VLCC Natural Sciences Almond Honey Deep Nourishing Skin Brightening Body Lotion. Okay, now what is the best part about this body lotion is very lightweight. Okay, and it gets absorbed into your skin like this. It's very like serum moisturizer consistency, so I really like this for summers, and it's very inexpensive. I got like 160 में 2. I used to get this, and I think that was the major reason for me to purchase this, is because it's really inexpensive as well. So yeah, go ahead and get this one if you need something for the summers. Okay, this is the Pilgrim Redensal serum. It's very good. It actually activates hair growth, and you will start seeing baby hair. You kind of have to use it daily. Like if you use it like the amount of like weekly, you might not see much results. If you want some good results, take 2-3 drops and just go through your hair almost daily. And if if your skin is reacting to it or anything, then just discontinue. Okay, that would be my advice. Otherwise, it's a major hit. Oh, another product that I really like is this Pilgrim Squalene Toner and Mist with kiwi extract and aloe. This gives you glow like nothing else. So I have this whole range. I have the serum plus moisturizer, like they sent it to me, and I have the whole range. And if I do this whole range of skincare, my skin looks like glass. It looks very smooth, and it shines. And the makeup I put after that also, it looks very shiny. So yeah, I really love this. You can just go ahead and get one of these products also. So definitely a hit. Then I finished this Lotus Splash from 82 Degrees. Like you can see, it's over. I thoroughly enjoyed this product, and that's why I got the other variant from 82 Degrees. That is the sugarcane soak. I'm enjoying that one as well. I have the review on my channel, so you can go ahead and check it out. But yeah, I love it. I love it for the fragrance and for the moisturizing effect that it has on my skin. Oh, then there is something. This is the Zudio eye makeup remover wipes. So I used it first 2 times. It was good, but like if you have stubborn makeup like mascara or something, if you go ahead, what I would like to say is that you can remove it without irritating your eyes. But you know, if you're in a hurry, it takes its own little time. So I don't know if I want to suggest these. Okay, you can definitely try to remove your makeup, and that too I'm just suggesting it for travel. I don't suggest it for every day. So for travel, if you need something like this, yeah, you can go ahead and get it, but not for your mascara or your waterproof eyeliner or something. This will just irritate your eye. Now I have this moisturizer from Nature for Nature. Okay, I really enjoyed this product, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, it was very good. The packaging is luxurious, like it's wooden and inside is glass or plastic, I can't determine actually, but it's very good. The fragrance was quite heavy on this one, but it did not irritate me. I kind of enjoyed the fragrance because it's I just like to say it's very similar to Vicks, and I enjoy the Vicks fragrance. But if you're someone who does not enjoy heavy that eucalyptus smell, then you won't enjoy this product. But other than that, it actually does moisturize your skin very well for the night, so it's very good. Just one thing that I observed is that when there was very little left, okay, on the corners of this product, it just dried up. Like, can you see this? This is the product. Okay, so little was left in this jar and it just dried up. So yeah, that was the only thing. Other than that, I really enjoyed this product, so it's a thumbs up. So this one's review, this is the Dot & Key Retinol Reset Cream, Night Reset Cream. This one's review is already up on my channel. I did not enjoy this quite a lot, but somebody commented that you must use a moisturizer after this, so maybe you have to use it. But what I mean to say is that if you are using it correctly and if it's showing result for you, continue using it, good for you. But for me it did not work, so it's it's a thumb down. What is this? Thumbs down from me. I did not like this. This is quite like, I really love this product. Okay, this is the Lakme 925 compact powder, and I love this product. It lasted me quite a long time, I won't deny, and in the end it just broke. Like, it fell and it broke. So yeah, it's okay. I enjoyed it. I used it quite a lot, and I will definitely suggest, if you're someone who likes low coverage and you know, who likes a very natural finish. It gives you a very natural finish. Like, it looks like you have not applied anything, and you know, it looks very nice. It gives you that kind of a coverage. So I really enjoyed this product. I hope they make few more shades in this range. It will be really good. Oh, something, I've just finished it. Like, you can see how empty the bottle is. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Stay Fresh Foundation. Works like a charm. It's very good, full coverage. I love L'Oreal foundations, by the way. They are really good. I think they're really comparable to the high-end ones because they work very nicely. So yeah, if you're someone who does professional and who's like investing in high-end, I would just suggest go ahead and just try some of the L'Oreal ones. I think you're gonna get some very good results with the L'Oreal one as well. So yeah, definitely a thumbs up. This one gives a luminous finish. I have another one which is like super matte. This is the Infallible 24-hour matte cover, which I have applied today just because of this highlighter. It's looking shiny, but you can see the rest of my face is matte. Okay, so this one is very good. It's full coverage, full. So was this one. Whatever I have used from L'Oreal, they were full coverage. Okay, they hide your everything. So the last two products that I have are from the Moody range only. Try Moody. This is the vitamin C sunscreen. I kind of enjoyed that, not gonna lie. Again, I have told you in my review as well that this is something like it had abrasive particles, but other than that, I really enjoyed this product. The packaging is cute but not very practical. You have to lay it flat all the time. Then I have the serum. this is something I really enjoyed, and this is something I think I'm gonna repurchase, because I'm currently using the Pilgrim vitamin C serum, which performs really good, no doubt, but this one showed me very quick results. For some reason my face used to look really bright, my face used to look really like the acne marks were really fading away. So I really enjoyed this. Both of them are like this one is like a something in between, just much like the moisturizer in the beginning which I said, and this one I think is a very big thumbs up from my side. So yeah, these were all the products that I finished. If you enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That would mean the world to me. Bye bye.